Today I'm going to show you exactly how to install SteamVR for Oculus and HTC Vive step by step. If you want to play VR games from Steam using a MetaQuest headset, Oculus headset, or an HTC Vive, SteamVR is the software that makes everything work together. The good news is that installing it is completely free and only takes a few minutes. In this guide, I'll walk you through the full setup process so you can get SteamVR downloaded, connected to your headset, and ready to launch VR games on your PC. Whether you're new to VR or just setting up SteamVR for the first time, this tutorial will make the process simple. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple tech and software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in and start the installation process. First, open the Steam application on your computer. If you don't already have Steam installed, you'll need to download it from the official Steam website and sign into your account. Once Steam is open, look at the top of the window and click on the Store tab. This will take you to the Steam store where you can search for games and software. Now move to the search bar in the top right corner and type SteamVR. Press enter and you'll see the SteamVR application appear in the search results. Click on SteamVR to open the official store page. On this page, you'll see information about the software along with the install option. Since SteamVR is free, you won't need to purchase anything. Simply click the Play Game button. When you click this, Steam will automatically add SteamVR to your library and begin downloading the necessary files to your computer. The download may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Once the installation finishes, SteamVR will be available inside your Steam library, just like any other game or application. Next, connect your VR headset to your PC. If you're using a MetaQuest headset, you can connect it using Quest Link with a compatible USB cable or through AirLink if you prefer a wireless connection. If you're using an HTC Vive, make sure your base stations and headset are powered on and properly connected to your PC through the Vive Link box. After your headset is connected and recognized by your computer, go back to Steam and open your library tab. In the list of applications, find SteamVR and click on it. Then press the play button to launch it. SteamVR will now start its setup process and automatically detect your connected VR headset. You may see a small SteamVR status window appear showing icons for your headset, controllers, and tracking devices. If everything turns green, that means your VR system is successfully connected and ready to use. At this point, you can open SteamVR Home or launch any compatible VR game directly from your Steam library, and that's it. You've successfully installed SteamVR and connected it to your Oculus or HTC Vive headset. From here, you can start exploring thousands of VR experiences available on Steam. If this tutorial helped you install SteamVR, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.